Yeah. This one doesn't look cool.
They won't be fun today. They'll be pretty moguled out.
Yeah.
I probably wouldn't be doing it. They won't be a good time.
こんにちは。今日はどうですか？いいですか？最高。It's hot shit, hey.
Yeah, it's a nice day.
Well, these trousers are nice, but they have no vents.
Yeah, like, I mean,
I get hot.
not really for formal occasions.
No,
either, so
they're
like,
not.
What's the point?
These
man?
look like they're for
Yeah,
formal, bro.
man.
The pinstripe.
Pinstripes go hard, man.
When you gotta ski
exactly.
at breakfast, you got a meeting at lunch.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, boy. Ooh, I reckon I got it. Just looking at that left side. Yeah, fuck it. Phew.
I realise that's what we shove.
Yeah. Did you say ketamine? I swear you just said ketamine, though.
How's Japanese seem pretty good?
Yeah, I've been pretty slack studying. I used to do an hour before work every day. And then
I haven't done it in a while.
when I was starting work at 11, so I'd go riding, come back,
Yeah.
make a coffee, make some food before work, and brush up before work.
Yeah.
When I start at 7:30, it's like I finish work and then I go riding straight away.
And then you're tired.
And then I'm tired, I don't want to do shit, bro.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, how about you?
Nah, I've been pretty poor. This isn't the place to learn it though, is it?
It's not, but there are...
I should try more. I was getting tired of teaching me a couple.
Try and get some speed for the traverse. Yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. This is nice, we got the... Yeah, we got pretty lucky here. Damn. Haha. No. Yeah, let's try this. Sick tree runs, bruh. Yeah, man. You. Shredder. I want to do that again. That was kind of fun. Hoppa. Whoop. You. No.
How soft do you reckon that snow is right there?
Here looks pretty compacted, my bro.
Yeah. See what happens.
Yoo! Yo! Let's try this. I don't know that count as a 3 on the hip there. I don't know. I turned it off. I think it's off, yeah?
There's a running timer.
Oh, it's on, bro. You're on. You're live. Pressure's on. Do something cool.
Yeah, man. Do a flip.
Do a flip. Someone do a flip at least. Come on. Get this balaclava off my head. Don't want you on you.
See, it's quite warm now.
Yeah, I'm over it. Over you, Belly. Oh, hello. Hello, camera. I need like way more speed. I don't know. ありがとうございます。
I think I got it, that one.
Did you? Me too, bro. Fuck yeah. Fancy a sweetie.
A sweetie.
See how many I've got though. Oh, should have checked before I thought, yeah, we're gold, baby.
Gold.
A high soft.
Cheers, man.
That's
Coffee.
I find the rail less daunting than the box.
Can you do the rail?
Board side of skateboard, but I don't know. I'm looking at it in the box, just seems, I don't know. You go on and then you roll onto it and then you roll off it and it's pretty long. No, I feel like it's super long though.
That one's quite, that is a long rail. A long box, yeah.
I'm gonna do it, but I'm just gonna go so slow.
But those little jumps there are fun.
They're fun enough, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try my back 180, gonna get that down,
Yeah,
and then I
exactly.
try my back 3 on it.
Whoa.
The homies.
I love doing this with the boys, can be so much fun
Yeah.
sometimes.
Haha, yes! Yeah, boy. Fuck yeah, first time. Fucking stoked, bro.
How'd it feel?
So chill.
So less scary than you thought.
Nothing, nothing.
If you hit it stable,
Yeah.
and just like keep your balance, you're
The same
fine.
as riding.
Yeah, pretty much.
It was a good slam I did there.
Good slam, I didn't see it.
Oh, bro. Oh. There's no knuckle, you should be alright rolling over it. There's no knuckle on the other side.
What do you mean by knuckle?
Like it's not flat, you can just roll
it's
over.
Not flat, so you're not going to be...
Nah,
yeah. You seem confident, how come you're not on that one?
I'm not confident, no, I'm just trying this,
Yeah.
Maybe we'll try that maybe next time.
Yeah. You want to go first?
You alright?
Yeah.
Come on to me, eat shit.
I don't know, it's just about down to the bottom of that. That's the biggest stack I've had. She looks pretty confident.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, hi, onegaishimasu.
Okay. Just one? Two?
I can have two. Is that
Okay.
good?
Of course.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay.
That was fun, bro. Oh, awesome, bro. Big day. First fun boxes.
Yeah, man. Nice.
Yeah. Thank you, brother.